Hey, make I first laugh first. Child, those of una wey help APC reach this election wey we just concluded now, those of una wey dey shout agbado, those of una wey help carry ballot box, wey help scatter polling unit, abeg I wan ask una one question o. How many of una Tinubu don appoint so far? Yes, na normal. I know say una suppose gain something now. Yes. How many of una he don appoint? Because I don dey see say he don dey make some appointments so far when he don enter there now. He don dey appoint people, and I don check the list of people wey he don appoint. Na still people wey don already dey for government. Na still people wey dey already have from one office or the other for federal. So I don dey search the list of MC Oluomo and even some of all these agboros. Some of them wey help the scatter polling unit. I no see their name. How many of una he don appoint? I dey ask. Una see am when we were telling you guys that let's work together and feed this country together. Una say no, say na always selfishness na go dey kill una. Say una go allow tribalism to scatter una head. You see am. I know the news today that say Tinubu don appoint Femi Gbajabiamila, that is the former speaker of the house. He don appoint him now as his chief of staff. So for this internal now, that Femi now he go come become Tinubu chief of staff. Now don't see am. All these people wey dey rule us, then they rotate power between themselves. Imagine. Person wey don already get work throughout Buhari ten ure, na that man na that Femi na be speaker of the house throughout Buhari ten ure. Now Tinubu don enter now. The youth wey dey cry all this while wey he say he go carry along, instead of him to go and pick some of this youth, he still go down to go and pick people wey don already dey the power already. You go see and say dem dey rotate power between themselves. They no dey carry anybody along, just all about them. And e dey pain me say every time wey we dey do election, they go still come out. They no go use those Femi, they no go use those people wey dey power to reach the election. They no go use them to carry ballot box. They no go use them to go and scatter polling unit. Na me and you then they go come hire to go and scatter ballot box. They no go even use their own children. Na me and you then they go come use to go and scatter polling unit. And after we don't help them scatter the polling unit, after we don't help them reach the election, when they don't finally get the power, they will now start rotating the power between themselves. Now don't see as first such don't enter right now. How many of these politicians we don't cry out say the money for fuel they no get? How many? Now people are now looking for people where they live close to their house, where they go follow the truck go house. Because of that, they don't get money to buy fuel. You don't see them. Anything will happen. Now me and you, it will still affect. None of them go affect them. You know go affect them. And we never still won't get sense. Until we get sense, all this whole thing no go stop. Thank you.